What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well, guys. I moved my desk over a little bit just so I'm closer to the natural light from the window and you guys have a better view of my friends Mufasa and Sarabi. I'm a Leo, so pretty big on lions. But that's not really important, guys. We're gonna go over our friend Fantom. Hope you're well. We're sitting at 238. Nice bounce, up 10% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 6.01 billion. 24-hour volume 1.37 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. And you can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. Depending on the level of card that you have, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So let's hop over into Fantom. So here we are on the 4-hour time frame. So we've had our retest, guys. We broke out of this bear flag pattern. Let me pull it out, get our little measurement here. We broke out and we come back up and we've had a retest. So if we get rejected here and we start to roll, we could come back down to our next buy zone at 191, which would be awesome, guys. We get more money into our trade. We bring down our average price. But we do have our large bullish divergence on the money flow especially, as well as on the RSI, which can signify that the bears are running out of strength and it's the bulls' time to step in and push the price back up. So if we can get back above the EMAs, maybe we'll see a nice push back up to our first entry. We could also put a /TP, which stands for take profit, at 268. It's not a huge trade. I would probably wait a little bit or just, oh, it's not bad actually, 7%. I'd probably just sell like 25% personally, but to each their own, not financial advice. Everything's just for reference. As I'm not your financial advisor, I'm just a young guy from Canada. So this natural light is making me look pale, but I guess that is because I am pale. White boy. So we can see we're getting rejected. Now we're getting rejected by the EMAs. So the bulls would really have to step in and get us back above the EMAs and see a throwback if we're going to continue to push higher here. But what we may see is just a little bit of consolidation, as I've been mentioning in my videos, due to Bitcoin. So let's jump over to the daily time frame. So I've been talking about that head and shoulders pattern. Now there's something else to keep an eye on, and that's the MACD, guys. We've had the bearish cross. I'm going to thicken these lines up a little bit here for you guys. Oh, sorry. Let me get it. Thank you. So there's your signal line. Now there's your MACD. Here's your signal line. Thickness. Save as default. Thank you. So you can see the MACD, the blue line, is crossing underneath the signal line, which is the orange line here, which is a bearish cross, just as we had right here. And then we saw some sell-off. We had it right here as well. We saw some sell-off. So it is a bearish indicator. So do keep an eye on that, guys. We have to watch for that head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Your breakdown target would bring us down to about, down to this low here, down to about $1.36. So do watch for that, guys, but we may just see some consolidation. I do think that's a likely scenario, and we can also invalidate this head and shoulders if we come up and we break 294. You can see we perfectly got rejected off our ascending channel, as I had been mentioning, as well as the 1.618 extension on the Fibonacci, and this purple box can definitely act as resistance. I think if we could push back above the purple box, then we could break out and see a push up to about 308. However, guys, if we just stay in the purple box or we do get rejected, we may see a move down to that level I dropped in for our head and shoulders. But if we can continue to hold the EMAs, we may just see some consolidation as well. Fantom is a top mover. So if Bitcoin just continues to consolidate as it's doing right now, we trade sideways while we, sorry guys, while we go through our Wyckoff accumulation. If we just continue to trade sideways, those green candles will push the price of Fantom up, those small green candles for Bitcoin. Because the bulls are so strong, because there's so much bullish momentum, see a little bit of green for Bitcoin, you see Fantom push up, just as we saw right here. We saw a little bit of green for Bitcoin. We saw a nice wick up. It pushed up, and then Bitcoin, you know, Bitcoin flipped red a little bit. As you can see here, now we have a red candle, which is bringing Fantom back down. But the bearish pressure is not nearly as strong as the bullish pressure for Fantom, in my opinion. So while Bitcoin is consolidating, we could definitely see Fantom break out, in my opinion, back to the upside. But we do have that breakdown target at 191. from our bear flag. So we're always prepared with our dollar cost average strategy. Equal amounts at each buy zone brings your average price down halfway each time, as well as you get more money in your trade and you get ready to ride the slingshot back up. No fail strategy as a spot trader. As long as you have buy zones down for 70-80% drop, you're a-okay. If you're leverage trading, don't recommend more than 2 to 3x, and you have to double your margin and trade at your own risk for FTM. So let's go to the 1 hour. Let's see where we're, I can see the money flow came to the top section. We're getting rejected here. So we may see some consolidation or a little bit of a pullback here for our friend FTM. I'll go over our bull run targets as I always like to do. The 2 extension at 592, and then we have the 2.272 coming in at $10 for our friend FTM. That's basically it for this one, guys. If you want access to these DCA charts, as well as 1,000 members posting chart patterns, posting analytics, statistics, as well as news, sign up to the Discord, guys. And the DCA charts, price of a coffee, $3.50 USD for many projects that you can look at your convenience. All right, guys. Fantom, Mana, Soul, Sand, Gala, Bet, Matic, price of a coffee. You want to trade with me? Sign up to Bybit. $4,100 in bonuses for a limited time, and I'll see you in the next video. Wow, this natural light just got me looking super pale. All right, guys, much love. Take care.